We started trading in 2014 and we're currently 22 people.
The company is about 30 people and we're hiring maybe 1-2 people per month.
It's 2 years old and it's now about 40 employees and growing. We expect to end this year by 70.
We are currently a team of 30 people and recently we raised 1.6 million to grow the company worldwide.
We are 155,000 software engineers regularly coming together, and we have about 17,000 members based in Barcelona, which is one of the reasons why I'm here.
Decided to look for the opportunities, how we can be introduced to the ecosystem, how we can touch a bit more, like build a bit more of understanding of the market. Then we were approached by this landing in Barcelona program and then found it very interesting because it's exactly in line with our expectations, with what we were looking for.
One of the things that I really learned this week in particular, and that's how incredibly integrated the Barcelona City Hall and government is with the overall ecosystem and of startups and scale-ups, and in a very practical way. We also work with some other cities who have never seen anything like it, and therefore we'll be going back to our board and say this is indeed the city where we need to establish ourselves.
It pretty much sells itself as far as the weather, the culture, the advancements in the tech scene have been incredible. That's what's really impressive. We expect to finalize our A round of funding by April, and with that funding come here to then hire and build our company out into other spaces.
What I found interesting that people are very open. I would even say that it's a feeling of supportiveness. And that's something different. That's something different from other countries. Maybe some Northern European countries are a bit tougher to approach.
Barcelona has been able to attract a lot of very interesting startups and scale-ups from a technology point of view. We see a lot of innovation happening here.
I didn't know how big 4 years from now was going to be, but I was really impressed with how many startups were in the building. It validates what Barcelona has done to attract businesses here, but as well to nurture the startup community.
We were able to meet really interesting companies there. We had like 6 business meetings. We interacted with some investors as well.
I have to confess I was surprised yesterday by the numbers. So very interesting because I had the opportunity to know many other startups, and also I had very interesting meetings. I guess the Barcelona Discovery Programme did us a great job by getting precisely the kind of companies that we wanted to talk.
If you are a tech-driven business, you inherently need to be close to where talent is, and therefore you need a city that has a message that means we are open, we support and understand the tech ecosystem. But more importantly, I think this is the city where the tech ecosystem really will grow. The foundation is here really.